Hello everyone. Today, as I promised you, we are going to understand the collapse, the overlaps, so we cannot understand that we lost the game, okay? We have used shape renderer, but to understand the collapse, we are going to use circle class, okay? Let's see board. By adding C, we are going to know this is a circle, okay? Okay. C, let's say B1, C, B2, and C, B3, okay? But actually, these are the sets. So we need to make it like that. Nice. And actually not in here, sorry, in here. Okay. And here we are going to initialize them. Let's say seabird is new circle SB1 not like that actually, yeah, that should be better. New circle and NBs, because you know because you know okay. New circle NBs2 and CB3 new circle NBs2. Okay, I'm kind of surprised I didn't use copy paste. Well, and because of the CB1, B2 and B3 is a series, we need to initialize the initial, for example CB1, CB1, 2, you know. For that we are going to use for loop in here. Yeah, we can do this. Let's say SB1 I new circle. Okay. 2 and 3. Okay, looking nice. And then in here, where, yes, actually we don't need them anymore. We've seen what it looks like, but I'm gonna keep it anyway because we want to see. Okay, in here let's say seabird.set. Where is our bird? Yeah, this. I'm gonna take first, and then in the for loop, let's say CB1 equals to, not equals actually, dot set, yes, this is, it's 0, 1 and 2, and also 2 and 3. Okay, looking nice. And all we need to do is, actually it's kind of simple, we will say if intersector that overlaps, okay? This overlaps function gets two circle, two rectangular, or circle and rectangular. We are going to use two circle, okay? If seabird and CB1 E, right? Or let's say that, yes. Again, actually I'm gonna copy that. CB2 or CB3. Okay, if our words overlap with the B circles, any of the B circles, then simply state equals to 2. Yeah, let's see if it is working. Okay, as you can see, it's finished. Looking nice, I guess. But when I touch it, it is not reloading. It's not start. Let's figure this out too. To figure this out, we need to understand why it's happening. It's happening because when I touch, it gets state 1, but also the bees and the birds location is not changed. So immediately this if is active, so state 2. Okay, so actually we need to do something for if it's state 2 and if it is touched, the game should reinitialize itself. Okay, let's do it. Actually let else if now, yeah, state equals to 2. Okay, if state 2 GDX input just touch, then what can we say? Yeah, initialize all. Okay, like that. This is for the bees, and also where is our, let's initialize them to, yeah, if state can if just touched, change the bee location, change the bees location, and then state is equals to 1. Let's try again. Oh, it's nothing because it's now state 2 because it's just start. So we need to add a little code 2, else if state is equal to 0, that means the game just start. And then if gdx.input just touched, then state equals to 1. Okay, let's try again. Okay, and now I'm gonna hit that. Okay, I'm gonna touch, yes, as you can see it's open again. Nice. Let's call the video and see you next time.